Guys, Andrew here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to move PDF documents from one folder to the next in SciSpace. All you have to do is just go to your My Library on the upper right hand side. You can also find the My Library on the left hand side as well on your many options. Now once you are here, you need to find whichever folder or location where you have those PDF files. As you can see here, right now I have my PDF files underneath my test folder. Now in order to move any PDF file to a different folder, just simply click the three dots towards the right hand side of that PDF document. You'll have the PDF options here, so you can click these three dots here, and here you have move, and you'll be able to find other folders under the personal section. All you have to do is select that folder if you have more folder, or you can create a new folder by clicking on this and give the folder a name and click on create. For the purpose here, I'm going to stick to this folder and then just simply click on move, and you will see that it's going to move that file to the new folder. Then as you can see now, this file is now under this folder here, which is a new test, and the other folder just contains now one file. And that's it. Very easy and very simple.